Welcome to this next video in the 15 successes of a marketing master. Please do remember this is a playlist, so if you haven't watched the ones beforehand, please go back and watch those. All the links will be down below so that you can watch the entire playlist in succession. And I really hope you're enjoying it. Please leave a comment down below if you are enjoying this course, and obviously if you're on YouTube, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Let's get started. Number 13, craft the finest map for the unknown battlefield. Number 13 could be right at the beginning. This is your mission, your vision, your values of your business. And in essence, they are there somewhere at the beginning of your business. Often, and this is really because I usually deal with micro businesses and SMEs. They normally start as 1, 2, 3 people. And they normally start in solving a problem for a customer. And if you sat them down and you said, aha, well, you can't do anything yet. You need to sort out what your mission, your vision, and your values are. They might say, we're not really sure yet. I mean, we know what we don't. Well, we've got this customer and we know what a certain, can we just do that first? And that's generally what happens. So in reality, if you had a business plan and you went to get investment and you wanted to sort of raise £500 million or £500,000, whatever it is, you'd need to put a mission, a vision, a values into your document, of course. But actually, most micro business, small businesses kind of get trading first, and then they start to take on staff, or then they actually start to think, why am I doing this? What is my bigger purpose behind this? Where do I see the business in 5 years? I've kind of proof of concept. I've got customers they're in my house of enchantment. I'm looking after them. They're happy. Where does this go from here? And that's when they start to really develop the mission and vision and values into something which is actually tangible and meaningful and can be actioned against. And it creates this vision for the future that they can start telling people about, because if you're growing as a business, you want to bring your suppliers on board. You want to bring your staff that you're now looking to utilize on board, even if they're not just employees. They might be staff that you use as freelancers or whatever. You want them to buy into this thing that you're trying to do. So having a mission, a vision, and a values is an absolutely fundamental part of business. But so often we kind of get started and then we kind of look at it later. But it has to be done, because on the next couple of things we are going to be looking at what happens now as the business grows, and potentially it's no longer a micro business. Let's call it £500,000, £1 million, £5 million turnover business. All of a sudden you've got 30 staff, etc., etc. So what happens next?